Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. If you are searching for the best 140mm PC case fan to upgrade both cooling and style, you are in the right place. Today we are taking a closer look at a fan that blends performance with eye-catching design. Stick around to see what makes it special. Let's get started. So the product we have today is the UpSiren PF14 V2 140mm PC case fan. Right from the first look, this fan feels modern and premium. It is not just about cooling your PC, it is also about making your setup look amazing while doing it. UpSiren has clearly focused on both performance and visual appeal with this model. One of the first things you will notice is the unique CD pattern on the center bearing. It gives the fan a clean and stylish look, making it stand out inside your case. It is a small detail, but it really adds a premium touch when everything is lit up. Speaking of lighting, the UpSiren PF14 V2 comes with 36 high-brightness 50/50 lamp beads. This means you get strong, vibrant lighting that looks smooth and continuous. Even when you connect multiple fans, the lighting stays consistent and synchronized, which is perfect if you want a clean and unified build. Another standout feature is the three-sided infinity mirror design. The front two sides and the top panel work together to create a deep, layered lighting effect. It almost looks like the light is going on forever, giving your PC a stunning and dynamic appearance. Flexibility is also a big plus here. The UpSiren PF14 V2 is available in black and white, along with regular and reverse versions. This makes it easy to match your case design and airflow setup without any hassle. Now let's talk about performance. The fan uses a hydraulic bearing design, which helps it run smoothly even at high speeds. This not only reduces noise, but also increases durability, so the fan lasts longer over time. The 9-blade design is another important feature. Each blade is carefully curved to improve airflow. This means better cooling for your components, while still keeping noise levels low. It is a great balance between power and quiet operation. You also get PWM control with this fan, which allows your system to adjust the fan speed automatically based on temperature. This helps maintain efficient cooling without unnecessary noise when your system is not under heavy load. The ARGB lighting effect adds even more customization. You can sync the lighting with your motherboard or other components to create a personalized look that fits your setup perfectly. And finally, the ring lens texture around the blades enhances the lighting even more. It spreads the light evenly and creates a more polished and vibrant glow, making the fan look even better when running. Overall, the UpSiren PF14 V2 140mm PC case fan brings together strong airflow, quiet performance, and stunning visuals in one package. It is a solid choice for anyone who wants both function and style in their PC build. Want a fan that truly upgrades your setup? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your build. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.